If you type in find.uwcsea.edu.sg, when you're off campus, you'll come up to a window like this that asks you to log in for full access. If you're on campus, it will not ask you to log in. So you need to use your GAPS ID to log in. My computer already knows I'm here. If you type in your topic, and it'll give you some suggested terms, so you can click on them, click on search, and then on the left-hand side of the next screen, you'll be able to limit to various options. The default is full text, but you can choose academic journals if you want, or news articles. And then you can choose your article that looks interesting to you. You can download the PDF full text. You can also cite it. And if you scroll through this window, you'll go through every different citation style. So if you're using APA, you can then copy that and put that in your references list. Another really important thing is a permalink, which gives you a link to this particular page. Please don't use the URL at the top of the screen because it changes all the time. So just copy the permalink if you would like to get back to that page. So if we click on News Search, I'll show you how to access past extended essays. So you can write EE and then your topic area. And these are A and B graded EEs from both Dover and East. And there's one important thing that you need to do once you've typed that in is click on Catalogue Only. And that will give you past EEs, click on Online Access, that have been graded A and B. Just choose one that's fairly recent because the requirements have changed in the last few years.